The first skill we are going to learn is copywriting, how to do copywriting on ChatGPT. So basically, I just asked it what copywriting is, and it replies that it's the way of creating written content for the purpose of advertising or marketing a product or idea. So it's not just about saying that come and buy my book, but having to write it in a very persuasive way, as it has put it here, in a very persuasive and compelling way to get people's attention to buy it. And copywriting has a whole lot to do with business, because when it comes to marketing, email campaigns, it helps a lot, because without the right writing, without the right way of portraying the message, people are not going to buy the product. So people are out there looking for copywriters, and with ChatGPT, it becomes easy to do copywriting. So how do you do copywriting here? So let's say, for example, someone I want to sell my book, monetize your hobby. So I'll just ask, write a copy to sell the book, monetize your hobby. So immediately I give it this information to write it. So are you tired of spending your free time doing hobbies that do not pay? So you see that what it has written is even worth enough for me to use it for a website or a blog. So I can ask it to write a page, write that in 300 words. So it expands it up to 300 words or even more than that. If you are to calculate, it probably will be more than that. So you just have to read through and see what it has written and correct it if there is a need. So other forms of copyright are short. So write a short of it, a short version rather of it to be shared on WhatsApp. So sorry, make it beautiful. So tired of spending your free time on hobbies that don't pay off? Want to learn how to turn that into profitable business? Monetize your hobby can help. Written by entrepreneur and hobbyist J. Smith. This not. So probably you just have to always take it and edit. Chat GPT, I'll talk about this later, but once you take the information, you always have to go through it to just do some tweak and something on it. Make it much shorter with emojis. So if you didn't know, Chat GPT could add emojis. So monetize your hobby, learn how to turn your passion into profit, build a brand, create a product, market your business and more. Get the copy now and start living the best life. So this is it. So if you want my book, Monetize Your Hobby, you can just search Monetize Your Hobby and add my name. So immediately add yourself to it, and most likely you're going to see my own copies. So if you are not able to purchase from any of these websites, what you can do is you can contact me and I'll give you a copy. So Yapzor on any of the website platforms and I'll get you a copy. So when you do this, there, how do you monetize it is the question next. So you come over here to Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing website where you work for people who are not where you are. So it's like selling for people or selling your services for people online. And there are various ways to do it. So I just search copywriting. So immediately I search copywriting, these are what people are earning. So as this person, I'll write an SEO website for content for you as a copywriter. And let's check her details. So she says she will charge 135 cities for 300 words. And when you talk of SEO website here, SEO website is basically a website that is search engine optimized. So you just have to ask ChatGPT and it's going to do that very much for you. And if you are taking 500 words, she's charging 225, premium 450 for 1,000 words. And ChatGPT can help you do this in the fastest way. You just have to know how to be creative about it, how to go about asking for it. And once you learn how to use the chat GPT, you can just come and create an account and also market yourself here. You don't have to charge that high as the person is charging. But so this person charges from $65 just for doing that. And you can compare packages of the person. The person has three packages with very good names. You can convert it if you're in Ghana, how much $65 is. So $65 is 763 cities. So you just have to know how to use ChatGPT, and if you're able to position yourself very well on Fiverr, you are able to probably get 700 cities a day, or just for doing one particular work. He says 4-day delivery. That's because he probably is going to do it manual. But if you're going to do it with ChatGPT, it's just a matter of seconds, and you will have a whole website. So write 1,000 words blog on how to cook rice. So SEO is key here. So I'm basically telling it to write 1,000 words on how to cook rice. So it starts, so choose the right rice, rinse the rice, measure, cook, with the steps of how to cook it and all that. So you realize that it's able to do all this for you. And when you go to a website, you just have to get the clients. Once you get the clients, you have your way in there. So with copywriting, this is basically how you do it. And to even help you more, especially ChatGPT has added a feature which, when you come here, we have templates. So with the template, you choose what you want to do. You have category. So category here, we are talking of copywriting right now. You can choose the other ones. SEO is also part. You go to subcategory. So we are going to content writing, template, content title generator, brief generator. So let's use brief generator here. So you can just find more about copywriting. This is not going to give you the full details. There are a whole number of videos on copywriting that you can find online. So let's say the article is monetize your hobby by Yapzor. Okay, so let me just leave it there. Monetize your hobby. So the keyword is hobby. Main keyword is monetize. Sorry. So you just have to know how to do it. So how many total keywords? 10, 10 questions here. So if you learn more about copywriting, which you can just go to YouTube right now and just search about what copywriting is, it's going to give you that information. So this is what it's giving me. So we have a title, meta description. If you know copywriting, you are going to understand these things. You may not understand them now because you have not actually developed the knowledge. And copywriting is not difficult. So all you just have to do is just to, so copywriting for beginners, and you will have a full course to watch. And once you have learned what copywriting is and how to use it, you now just come over and start making money on Fiverr with that particular skill. You can also use Upwork, which is also another way to do it. So this particular person is, so there are people looking for, so we are looking for someone to handle guest posts for our site. I'll explain the difference between these two websites later, but you can see that the person is offering an amount of money. About their budget is $50 for the person who is coming to do that work. And if you do the conversion, you are going to see how it goes. So copywriting is one of the ways that you can use ChatGPT for, and it's going to make it easier for you. At first, people will spend hours doing research, but ChatGPT will do all the research for you and make it easy for you to monetize your hobby.